morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Last session we have learned factor tree, that is look like 20. 20 means 2 tens are 20, okay. Then 2 fives are 20 and these are the factors of 20. 20 is equal to 2 multiply by this 2 multiply by this 5. Okay, these are the factors of 20 and this is a factor tree. Okay, this we have learned in previous session and today we are going to learn common factors. Okay, common factors means we have to take two numbers. Okay, example here is 20 and 28. Now we have to make a factors of these two numbers. First we will take 20. Now factor of 20, first 1 multiply by 20. As you know, 1 and 20, that number and this 1 is every number. There were 1 and that number are the factors. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor itself. Okay children, now 1 multiply by 20. Now 2, you know 2 tens are 20. Then 3, no, 20 is not there in 3's table. So 4, yes, 4 5s are 20. And then again 5 4s are 20. Means it's repeat. These are the factors. The factors of 12 are, see here, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay children, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Okay, now factors of 28. Okay, first 1 multiply by 28. Okay, now 2 multiply, do here 28 divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 0, take down this 8 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 0. So 2 multiply by 14. Then 3, but there is no 28 in 3's table. Then 4, 4 7s are 28. 5, no. 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. 7, yes, 7 4s are 28. Means these are the factors. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay children. Now, yes, see here children. We found factors of 20. Okay. Then here is number 28. Means we found factors of 28 also. Now we have to find out the common factors of these two numbers 20 और 28. दोनों में से common factors हमें निकालने हैं. Okay, see here, these are the factors of 20, these are the factors of 28. Now common factors, see here is 1, here is also 1 in 20's factor and 28 factor. So circle it. Okay, then next 2, here is also 2, so 2 is also common. Okay, then 4, yes children, 4 is also common. here and here. After here is 5, but there is no 5. Here is 10, but there is no 10. Here is 20, but there is no 20. Here is 7, but in 20's factor there is no 7. 14, here is not 14, and 28, here is not 14. So children, thus the common factors of 20. Which number? 20 and 28. Okay. 20 and 28 are which common? This 1, 2 and 4. Okay. This 1 is common. So 1, then 2 and 4. Understand children? Means this 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. Understand children? It means the common factors of two numbers. Okay. So children, the common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Means what? A number is said to be a common factor. Okay. This of two or more numbers. Means these numbers. If it is a factor of each of the given numbers. Means what children? Okay. This 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. But this is also factor of 20. Yes. 1, 2, 4. 20 factors and it is also a factor of this number. And when we see the common factors, that time these numbers are the common factors of the given numbers. Okay children? Now we will see exercise 5.3 question 2, and we have to find the common factors of the following pairs. Okay children? Now we are going to find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. Exercise 5.3 question 2. Okay. 24 and 36. A example. Okay children. Now 24 means 1 multiplied by 24. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by 24 means 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 2 twos are 4. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So 2 multiplied by 12. Then after 2, 3. Yes. 3 8s are 24. Then 4. 4 6 are 24. Then 5 no, and 6 again, means these are the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Now we have to find out factors of 36. 36 means 1 multiplied by 36. Yes. Then 2. How to? 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 means 2 8s are 16. Okay. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 18s are 36. Okay. Then 3. 3 multiplied by, see here, 36 means 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Then 6. 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. You know remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then that number is a factor of given number. Okay children. 3 12s are. Okay, then 4, yes, 4 9s are 36. 5, no. Then 6, yes, 6 6s are 36. Then 7, there is no 36 in 7 table. 8, no 8. 9, 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36 is there, and we already write there. Okay, so these are the factors of 36. So factors of 36 are, yes, from here 1 2 3 4 6, one time only, 3 4 6, after 6 this 9, then 12, then 18 and 36. Okay children, now we have to find out the common factors that are in 24 and also in 36. Okay, let's start from here. See here, yes, 1 is a common factor, and there is one is always a factor of every number. Okay, see here 2, this 2 is also common. Then 3, here is 3, here is also 3. Then 4, yes, 4 is also common. Then 6, yes, here is 6, here is 6, 6 is also common. Then here is 8, but there is no 8. Here is 12, yes, here is also 12. Okay, this 12. Then here is 24, but there is no 24. So these are thus the common factors of which number? 24 and 36. 24 and 36 are, you have to write common factors, means we have to write one time only. 1 2 3, then 4, then 6, after 6 12. Okay, these are the common factors of 24 and 36. Like this children, you have to solve, or you have to find out the common factors of given two numbers. Okay, let's see one more example. 48 and 72. Okay, first we will find out the factors of 48. 1 multiplied by 48. Then 2 multiplied by, if we can do division here, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 0. Okay, means 2 24s are 24s are 48. Then 3, there is 3 is factor or not? See here, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1 and 18. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Yes. So 3 is a factor of 48. 3 multiplied by 16. Okay. 4, yes, of course. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Means 4 12s are 48. Then 5 is no. 6 7s are 42. 6 9s are 54. So 6 is not a factor of 44. Then 7, no, there is no 48 in 7's table. 8 6s are 8 6s are, but after 5, yes, 6 children, yes, 6 8s are 48. Before it I said there is no 48 in 6 tables, but yes, 6 8s are 48. Then 7, no, 8 6s are, means what we write here already 6 8s are. So the factors of 48 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. Okay, now these are the factors of 48. Now we will see 72. 72 means 1 multiply by 72. Then 2 multiply by, what will come here? 72. Divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Then 2. 2 6s are 12. Okay. 12 minus means 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 multiply by 36. 2 is a factor of 72. Okay, beta? Children, now 3. 72 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. When we take these 2 down, 3 4s are 12. Yes, 3 24s are 72. Okay. Then children, 4. Let's see. 4 is a factor of 72 or not. 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. And 4 8s are 32. Yes, children. This 4 is also a factor of 72. Means 4 18s are 72. Now 5, no. Because here in one's place there is 2. Then 6. 72 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 2. Carry this down and 6 2s are. Yes. 6 12s are 72. Okay. Then 7. See here. 72 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 0. When we take 2, we cannot divide 2. Means remainder will come 2. So 7 is not a factor of 72. Then 8. Yes, 8 9s are 72. Okay. And then 9 8s are. Means these are the 9 8s are 72. Then 10 no. 11 no. Then 12 6s are. Means it's repeat again. Okay. So factors of 72 are 1 2 3 4 6. Then 8 9 12 18 24 36 and 72. Okay, children. Now we have to find out the common factor. Thus common factors of 48 and 72. 48 and 72 are, see here common factor. Here is 1. Here is 1. This is common. Okay. Then 2. 2. 3. Yes. 3. Here is 4. Yes. Here is 4. 4 is also common. Then 6. Yes. 6. Here is also 6. Then 8. Yes. Here is also 8. Here is 8. Then 9. Here is 12. But here is 9. 12 is there. Yes. 12 is also a common factor. 9 is not common. Okay. After 12, here is 16. There is no 16. Here is 24. Yes, here is also 24. Then 48. And here is 36 and 70. So 72. So children, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12 are the common factors of 48 and 72. So we have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, after 8, 12 and then, yes, this is 24. 24. These are the common factors of 48 and 72. Children, you have to find out the common factors like this and then write the common factors of that two numbers. I hope you have understood about the common factors, how to find out the common factors. Now you have to complete the exercise 5.3 question 2 in your notebook. Okay children, thank you.